Hi, this video is on regular expression. If we want to get a first name which has Mary in them, it may be in the beginning, ending, or in the middle. We use a percentage before and after the character. So we get the records in the first name column which has Mary in them. And you can see here we have Mary, and here the character is ending by Mary. So we can make it simpler using a regular expression. You just need to give regular expression. You may give it in caps, and you don't need to give this percentage. Let me run this. You got a same result for that. You can see Mary here and in the ending. And if you want a record starting with Mary, then you have to give a caret symbol. So you will get a record starting from Mary in the first name column. And if you want this in the ending, then you should give a dollar symbol. So these are the characters ending with Mary. You can see here, and this is starting with Mary and also ending with Mary. So we got this first row. And let's say you need a record having Mary and also Margaret. So you need to get these two records, Mary and Margaret, in the first name column. So I need to use a vertical bar here. This represents it's an or operator. So you can see here we got the result. We have Margaret and Mary in them. And you can also check for string ending with Mary. I'm using a dollar symbol for that, and string starting with Margaret. So I have used a caret symbol here. You can see the Mary and ending with Mary, and here we have Margaret. Let's say you need a string ending with Mary, starting with Margaret, and also which has Jessica in a first name column. So let me run this. You can also give a 2 vertical bars and check for 3 strings. You can see the records for Jessica, Mary, and Margaret in the first name. Let's say you need a character starting with M and followed by A, or M followed by O. So you can use a square brackets. So this represents M followed by A or M followed by O. So you can see here, this is the record having M followed by A, M followed by A, and you can see M followed by A, here M followed by O. So you will get a records whose string have M followed by A or M followed by O. Okay, there are many records. So let me give a letter O and run. Yeah, you can see here O followed by A and O followed by A, O followed by A. Most of them are O followed by A. Let me change this J. Okay, so you can see J followed by A, J followed by O, J followed by A, and so on. So I'm giving hyphen between A and O. This means the J followed by A to J followed by O. So the square bracket with hyphen represents range. Here I'm giving a range A to O. So it may be J followed by A, J followed by B, J followed by C, or anything till J followed by O. I'm giving it as Z, and you can see here we have ZA, ZE, ZA, and ZA. These are all the strings having Z followed by A to Z followed by O. So let me give GM followed by E. It may be GE or ME. So we can see here we have GE, ME, 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 and so on. So we can also give a range here, G to M followed by E. So we got a result. You can see we have GE and ME in the strings. If we give a hyphen, it represents a range. And if we use a caret symbol, it represents beginning of string, and dollar symbol which represents the end of the string, and vertical bar, yes, this represents logical OR, and square brackets to match any single character listed in bracket, and square bracket with hyphen is to represent the range. So this is all about regular expressions. Thank you for watching.